Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DaVinci Resolve for smart bins and media management step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and start a new project. Navigate to the Media tab located at the bottom of the interface. In the Media tab, locate the Media Pool panel. Right-click in the Media Pool to create a new bin. Name your new bin according to the content you will organize. To enable smart bins, go to the top menu and click on View. Select Smart Bins from the drop-down menu. In the Media Pool, click on the Smart Bins section. To create a smart bin, right-click in the Smart Bins area. Select Create Smart Bin from the context menu. A dialog box will appear for you to configure your smart bin criteria. In the dialog box, give your smart bin a descriptive name. Choose the criteria for your smart bin, such as file type or date created. Set the specific parameters for the criteria you select. For example, if you're sorting by file type, choose the appropriate formats. You can add multiple criteria by clicking the Add button. Adjust the rules to ensure accurate sorting according to your workflow. After setting the criteria, click Create to finalize your smart bin. Your new smart bin will automatically populate with media matching your criteria. To manage your media efficiently, consider using multiple smart bins. Explore different criteria combinations to suit your project needs. You can always return to the smart bin settings to adjust parameters. Once your smart bins are set up, switch to the Edit tab. Drag and drop clips from your smart bins to your timeline. Organizing media with smart bins streamlines your editing workflow. Always keep your smart bins updated for optimal media management. Regularly review and modify your smart bin criteria as projects evolve. This helps maintain an organized workflow throughout your editing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.